Ta jum num ta rum ta dhalam kutak tak da 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 gida 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 ta jum num ta.
Hi everyone. Today's video is about a very simple and wholesome breakfast recipe using ragi, or what we call as nanchana in Konkani, finger millet in English, and muttari in Malayalam. So this is a rich source of iron, proteins, fiber and many other vitamins and minerals, and in Kerala this is being used as a staple food for infants. So this authentic Konkani recipe or dish is called nanchana bakri, and it is a flat bread using ragi powder and dates. So this recipe is presented by my mother. Let's go into the video. The ingredients needed for nanchana bakri are half cup grated coconut, 1 cup ragi powder, 7 to 8 dates, 2 pieces of jaggery and 1 banana. You can even add cardamom powder for additional flavors. So firstly, take a mixer jar and add the powdered jaggery and dates. Cut the banana roughly into pieces and add in the jar. Now add the grated coconut and cardamom powder and grind all these into a very rough paste. The paste need not be smooth so that you can get the pieces of dates when you bite the bakri. Now add this ground mixture into the ragi powder and using your hands give it a very perfect mix. Next, take a banana leaf and grease it well with some oil or ghee. Take a generous amount of the mixture and roll it into a ball, and placing it on the center of the leaf, gently spread it evenly on the leaf using your fingers. Make sure that the paste is gently and perfectly spread evenly on the leaf. Once this is done, the next step is to steam this in a closed vessel so that the ragi is cooked properly. My mother is using pedavan for this. Now this step is completely optional. You can directly roast it on the tawa. So after the steaming, the bakri is transferred to a tawa and it is roasted properly on both sides by flipping it on and off. Brush some oil or ghee on both sides and make sure that the bakri is cooked or roasted well on both sides. Flip it off and on so that it's not burnt or overcooked. It's completely done when you get a nice roasted aroma in the air, and your nanchana bakri is ready. Have it with a dollop of fresh butter on top and your easy wholesome breakfast is ready. Do try this recipe and thanks for watching.